Hello, I'm Sarah with Shields and Associates. Today I want to talk about the Medicare surprise that catches many people off guard. Most people spend months planning for retirement, but many don't realize that Medicare doesn't automatically pay for everything. That's the surprise. A lot of people assume that once they turn 65, all of their healthcare costs disappear. Unfortunately, that's not how Medicare works. Original Medicare generally includes Part A, which helps cover hospital care, and Part B, which helps cover doctor visits and outpatient medical services. But Medicare still has deductibles, coinsurance, copayments, and services that may not be fully covered. For example, Original Medicare generally doesn't include routine dental care, routine vision exams, hearing aids, or most prescription drug coverage. Many people don't discover these gaps until after they've already enrolled. That's why it's so important to review your options before making a decision. Depending on where you live and your individual situation, you may be able to choose additional coverage, such as a Medicare Advantage plan, a Medicare Supplement plan, or a standalone prescription drug plan. The right choice depends on your healthcare needs, your budget, your doctors, and the medications you take. There isn't one plan that's best for everyone. That's another surprise many people don't expect. What works perfectly for your neighbor may not be the best choice for you. Taking the time to compare your options can help you avoid unexpected costs and make sure your coverage fits your personal needs. If you're turning 65 soon, already on Medicare, or simply have questions about your options, now is a great time to review your coverage. At Shields and Associates, we take the time to explain your Medicare choices in plain English so you can make an informed decision with confidence. If you'd like a no-obligation Medicare review, give Shields and Associates a call at 402-545-8954. We're happy to answer your questions and help you understand your options. I'm Sarah with Shields and Associates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple Medicare tips and insurance education. We'll see you in the next video.